Welcome to tutorial for TerraScan Copy Toolbox. Copy Toolbox contains three tools: copy points, cut points, and paste points. In this video, I am going to show how these tools work and how they can be used. Manipulating point cloud with these tools is aimed to help manual edits of visualization with Gaussian Splats in TerraSplat. Example use cases for these tools include duplicating, rotating, and moving selected objects inside one point cloud or between two point clouds. Copy Points tool copies points to the TerraScan clipboard, keeping the original points. Copying points does not affect original points. First optional step is to classify ground and compute distance to ground. This enables more options for pasting the points. Then, in top view, select fence or drawn polygon surrounding the object that is to be copied. Copy Toolbox tools only consider horizontally drawn shapes. Then, select Copy Points tool. User can specify classes which are copied and define front-facing direction. Copied points can be placed with Paste Points tool. To copy points, I first use the Clipper tool in Spatics to have active fence around that object I want to copy. Then I select the Copy Points tool from the toolbar and set that I want to copy points just from the class 17. I set the front-facing direction with mouse and click. Paste Points tool adds points from TerraScan clipboard to the scene. There are multiple settings for locating or rotating the points. For location, there are options Original, Mouse XYZ, and Mouse XY. Original location is useful if you want only to rotate the object. Mouse XYZ lets user define freely where to place the points. Mouse XY requires points to have distance attribute calculated relative to classified ground, and that value is used for Z value of the location. For rotation, there are options Original and mouse click. Original rotation is useful if object is to be moved or duplicated, but the rotation should be unchanged. Mouse click lets user freely choose the direction. I have used Copy Points tool earlier, so I have points saved to TerraScan clipboard. Then I can use Paste Points. For this demo, I use setting Mouse XYZ for location and mouse click for rotation. I can see in the view windows the points in preview to have sense how large the point cloud from clipboard is and to set the point cloud according to the neighboring objects. When using Mouse XYZ, a good practice is to take a cross-section from the place I want to place the point cloud. It helps having the right height. After having confirmed the location with left click, I can rotate the point cloud around the Z-axis. Left clicking again confirms the position. Cut Points tool picks points to the TerraScan clipboard, removing the original points. The use of cut points is very similar to copy points. Only difference is that the original points are removed. Classifying ground and computing distance to ground for the point cloud gives more options for pasting. Using top view, select fence or drawn polygon surrounding the object that is to be cut. Then select Cut Points tool. User can define point classes that are affected by the tool. Classes that are not selected are not modified. Cut points can be pasted using Paste Points tool. So I will start by drawing a fence around the object, and I will choose only class 17 to be cut. I select the front-facing direction with left click. Now the points are cut. For pasting the cut points, using the original location can be used for rotating the point cloud. I will use mouse click for rotation, or otherwise the point cloud would be just as it was before I used the Cut Points tool. Now I can see that the object is partly placed under the ground. To prevent that, I should use mouse XY tool when using the paste points tool. So I select the object with fence and choose to cut again only the class 17. When pasting points, I choose mouse XY for location and check that I have class 2 set as ground, as I have calculated the distance using class 2. With mouse XY for location, I do not have to use a cross section to place the object to the right height, because I want to place the object just above the ground how it originally was. I check with cross section that the points are like I want them to be. Copy Toolbox is designed to work best with TerraSplat. User can enhance Gaussian Splat visualizations with these tools, which can be used for rotating, moving, and duplicating objects. It is also possible to have splats copied from other TerraSplat projects pasted into current project. So here I have opened Gaussian Splat data from Tallinn. Data is courtesy of IGI Systems. I have splats combined to ground LiDAR points of the area. I also have computed distance for the splat points to the ground class. This enables me to use mouse XY option for location when pasting points. To use Copy Toolbox tools effectively with splats, I will first classify the object to its own class. For this, I will use Classify Above Line tool. All the splats are currently in class 0. I want to have the splats for this car in class 17. Now I will use Clipper to fence the car with splats I just classified. Classifying the points secures that I will only copy the car, not the ground points. I select the Copy Points tool and set the class 17 to be copied. I set the front facing direction and confirm the copying with the left click. I can see that there are 512 points copied to TerraScan clipboard. I select Paste Points tool. Here I can set the pasting settings. If I had not calculated the distance to ground, I would have to use mouse XYZ. For pasting, it is convenient to take a cross section around the place I plan to paste the car. Then I would fit the car manually close by its desired position. This time I use mouse XY. Now the car will be pasted with the same distance to the ground as the original points. As I'm not planning to rotate the car for this parking slot, I will have the rotation setting as original. I have set in TerraSplat settings that the splats are automatically updated on change. Now I can see the car in the place I pasted the points. From top view I see that there is no shadow, as the fence was excluding part of the shadow. I want to place this very same car again, but this time I want to also rotate it. I change the rotate setting from original to mouse click. I confirm the position with left click, rotate the car, and confirm the rotation with left click. Cut points is also usable for Gaussian splats. I want to turn around this car in the parking field. As I have not classified the splats, I will do the manual classification for the car to have points in class 17. I draw the fence around the car in top view. I select Cut Points tool and check that I will cut only class 17 points. Now the car is gone. I use Paste Points tool to place the car back. I want to only rotate the car in its parking slot, so I select Original for location. Rotation is set by mouse click. First I need to left click to confirm the place. Then I can rotate the car. I changed the head of the car to direct the other way. For summary, Copy Toolbox has tools for copying points without affecting the original points, cutting points affecting the original points, and pasting points to place points into TerraScan or TerraSplat project. Best use case for the Copy Toolbox is enhancing visualization in TerraScan or TerraSplat. Thank you for watching this tutorial.